lip. And I promise you, I won't destroy this one in the first week. Fingers crossed. So, I'm doing the GTS style straight off of eBay. I've destroyed 4 lips in 3 years. So I'm not spending big bucks anymore on front lips. These things get beat up like crazy. So I went the cheap route, which is honestly what you should do with a front lip. Like, it's okay. So we got this all lined up. We've got some nuts and bolts. We've got some 3M tape and some self-tapping screws holding it all together. I think it really completes the look in the front. The car looks a lot lower. It's only a moderate drop with the IBOC lowering springs, the V1s, but visually this looks a lot lower. Like you saw my shorts, my YouTube shorts, where I had to put the planks down to come out the driveway because it dug my street up. So you know this shit is lower. Like look at this. Look at this. It's about a 4-finger gap almost. And these are some man hands, you know what I mean? Like these are like, I'm 5'10", 200 pounds, baby. But yeah, so you see the what's going on there. And I forgot to mention, I'm gonna insert a clip here, but you probably can't see it now. I have the lip guard underneath. I've got 2 big strips right here. I cut the other 2 strips into smaller strips to hit this curve here and the other curve underneath. So I'm giving this a fair shot. You know, I've got that slip low type guard from Amazon, and it was only about 40 bucks. I'm not paying the real $100 for the real slip low. It's the same thing. What you think about this new lip? We're not gonna rip this one off, are we? Nah. We're not gonna go wilding and hit no manhole covers, right? Nah, honestly, I thought we had it good, but me and my dad did it together, and it was cool. Like that's the only time I spent time with him. But I had a brain fart where I'm not used to this style of lip, so I had this part. I thought I was good by having it flush, but this is actually supposed to stick out more because it's like a double style lip. Yeah. So it's over to the right too much. This should have been a little bit over, but it don't bother me because honestly, this is the 4th lip in 3 years. So I expect this shit to get broken off at some point, especially because it's low now.
I see what it does now. At first I was like, yo, like what's the point?
Dog,
say, blah,
dog, look at it, because you know what? I took off the side skirts as well because they're too like normal. If I get the side skirts again in the future, I'm gonna get the P style, the big shits that stick out. So right now, without the side skirts, it looks like it's nose heavy, right? It looks like it's like the crimson chin. That's why it looks mad hard right now, bro. I like the look of like just a big front lip but nothing on the side. Nah, because it looks like it's raking, like it's leaning forward.
Once you put the side skirts on it, though, with the big joints, it's going to complete the look. It's going to look.
Oh, I know it's going to complete it, but it's like then your eyes, it's like it's too well tied together. It's like if that's the only thing on right now, this just sticks out. It gets to be the star of the show. So yeah, that's the front, and I have a special surprise, because you know what? It's about time we put a brand new trunk spoiler on. Now come here, take a look at this. When we unwrapped the car, what we did was I told them, please take off the OEM M Performance trunk spoiler. It's too small, I want to go a different route. So if you take a good look, you can see there is some damage here. OEM BMW does use beta link to really seal it on here. It's like that tar is really stuck on here. When you take it off, it might take some paint with it, but this is not that bad because I expected worse. So take a look at what we got here. This is the OEM spoiler that used to be on here. You see all this beta link in here, this hard tar, that shit really destroys your car when you take it off. So I had the professionals take it off, and it came out as good as it could get. I'm gonna clean this up, list it for sale. If somebody's good with this kind of thing, they can bring it back to life. You get a good deal, I get a few bucks. Cool. Put that aside. And
what's in the box, OG? Talk to him.
Let me tell you something. You see this? Turner. We got a brand new trunk spoiler from Turner Motorsports, and I swear to God, you don't do that unless you're serious. I've never seen anybody rock this in person on the street on their F82, on their M4. Like, it's the hardest, most aggressive trunk spoiler you can have that's not a PSM spoiler. How is nobody else rocking it? That's what I want to know. So today, we're going to throw this on and really complete the brand new look. You're not going to recognize this car from the first video I dropped this year. It's a whole different car, whole new look. So, let's unbox this. Alright, I didn't really need to drop that shit. I kind of wish I had a friggin' box cutter, and I'm in the Bronx right now, so you know, you really should have a box cutter if you're out here, but fuck it. Oh, see what we got. Whoa, they really packed this up nicely. Look at all this packing, bubbles, wrap. Hold on. Let's get the goods. Whew. Check this out. Yo, this is wrapped up so nicely. I really wish I brought some fucking. I really wish I brought some scissors now. There we go.
I was about to say, use your keys.
Yeah, tell me that when I'm done.
You ain't got the fucking sense to use any sharp shit you got?
I'm not the sharpest tool in the box.
Oh yeah, we do have those.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Oh, look at this. Whoa, this shit is brolic. Look at that. Look at that in the sunlight too.
Okay.
See, now this is quality. I did not go the cheap route with this one because this is on the trunk. You're gonna see it and it's gonna be high up. It's always gonna be in your view. The front lip is low and it's gonna get banged up. So I don't mind cheaping out on the front lip, but this is a crazy high kick trunk spoiler.
Brand new, baby.
Yeah. Oh, let's test fit that shit. Matter of fact, let's just
line it up and shit.
Let's just test fit it and see how we're gonna do this before. Yeah.
Is this supposed to line up like edge to edge?
Like that.
Like that, yeah.
All right, so yeah, look, just gotta make sure I have the even gap on both sides. Gotta be a little bit more over to the right a bit. Yo, the only thing is though, as soon as you put it on, you kind of don't want to drive off right away.
Give it some time to edge.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So maybe I should.
1 o'clock bunnies is coming in. My bad.
Yo, I think I'm probably gonna put this on myself because now I'm looking at it. Yo, bro, it's hard to not line up right because look, I can feel the gap on both sides myself, and it might be better if I do this shit on my own when I get back home.
Yo, you already had look.
Yeah, I know shit happens. Because look, it's not perfect. I noticed that I took it out of the box like this. So yeah, whatever.
Probably in storage and shit.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck, bro. Honestly. So basically, I'm the guy who's already got a bunch of like those, so nothing really bothers me unless it's like something expensive or important.
Yeah.
Or in your face. So we just look at it for a second.
This is dead staying on right now. That's a crazy.
Yeah, I don't want to like, but like, I just want to get a good look at it. Let me see. Yo, that shit is kind of crazy.
Massive.
For real.
Massive.
Oh shit. And it covers up all the old scratches.
It scoops up so much though.
Huh? Yeah, it's a high kick.
Yeah.
See, most people with the high kick, they have the PSM style, which is this is like curved, like circular. I like the square and slight curve, and then the big. See, it follows the trunk lines too.
The square still keeps that aggression to it.
Like I like the box. That's why I like BMWs. I like that boxy shit, bro. That's why I like the new M2. It's boxy. So I'm gonna finish putting this shit on myself when I get home because we about to drive off anyway. Ain't no point sticking this on and then.
This does look nice though, bro. I ain't gonna hold you.
Nobody else has it, dog. That's the best part. I've never seen it on the streets.
Wait until my fucking.
Oh, yo, this view. It looks like when you have a hat and you kind of like flip it up, like a duck build. Yeah, I'm gonna finish putting shit on myself when I get back because we about to drive off. So, but this is the test fit. Test fit came out exactly how I think I want it. If you squat down, you're gonna see like how the whole shit kind of goes.
Massive.
For real, for real.
Hey, what up, bro? I love the color.
Alright, gonna wipe this trunk down, put a little hydrogen peroxide, clean it up a little bit. Not too much of this stuff. It's kind of strong. You probably should dilute it with some distilled water. Yeah, we're not doing all that. So, we'll be really, gentle with this. Well, let's pretend this was a clean, perfectly clean microfiber towel. Let's just pretend it was perfectly clean. So, the surface. So that way the three of them take that keep these little sticks. And yeah, we about to stick this baby bones. Wow, this car is dusty and dirty, bro. Look at this. Look how dusty and dirty it is. That's how we like it. We like it a little dirty. Dirty dusty. Yikes. Alright, I think that's enough for that. Fingernails, fingernails, fingernails. Oh, oh. The 2 strips that came with it. I have more tape at home.
Get that
you know
piece.
what? I'll just use what came with it. Too much.
So you don't take out too much tape so you can line it up, right? You gotta let them know.
There we go. I've done this before, I see. So, I'm gonna keep my fingers here to the side so that I can feel how this thing lines up. So for a second, the gap is even. Alright, you know what? As I'm doing that, I'm moving the wing around. Wing around. I can't even say that right. So, fuck it. I'm gonna just commit. Go all in. Alright. I only got one shot at this one opportunity. Us, son, you only get one shot.
Alright, M.
I'm happy with that. All right, now we press this motherfucker down. We're gonna press you like you was in middle school all over again and trying to join a gang. You're about to get pressed. This is the workout. And by the time we finish and come back, it'll be all stuck. So, come here over. Now I'm starting to wonder if I should have put more tape that I had at home. More than I'm gonna trust their judgment. They came pre-installed with that little bit of tape. I'm gonna trust their judgment. It flies off. Yo, the good thing about Turner Motorsports, this is part of their lifetime replacement guarantee. So the fact that they gave me some skinny ass little tape, if this shit flies off, I'm just gonna hit them up and they're gonna send me a free replacement. Shout out to Turner Motorsports. I read your website. I saw the policy. So. Yeah. So, I gotta clean this car. Really get the montage. I love how this thing aggressive. It lines up. The lines on the trunk. Sticks out. I can see why it was 50 bucks off the actual price. Because you can see there are some slight flaws, but it came through brand new with some slight flaws here, but maybe that explains why I got it for 50 bucks less than the full price. Anyways, I'm gonna hit up Turner Motorsports about that, just let them know, like, hey, whatever. But I'm happy with this. That's what I wanted. We gonna let you sit here and stick in place and dry. All right, trust exercise.
Big box.
All right. There you guys have it. That's my new front lip, the new trunk spoiler. I'm a real big fan of this big aggressive look. I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.